Juicy chicken, crispy skin, and the most delicious chimichurri sauce on top. Pretty much the best combination. Start by roughly chopping a shallot and tossing it into your food processor along with 3 to 4 garlic cloves and pulse until they're finely chopped. We're making ours in a food processor for speed, but you can absolutely do this by hand if you prefer a more rustic texture. Next, add a mountain of fresh parsley leaves, about 2 cups worth, along with a half teaspoon of dried oregano and some salt. Pulse again until the parsley is nicely chopped. Now for the good stuff. Measure a half cup of your best olive oil and a 1/4 cup of red wine vinegar. Then for a little heat, you can use pepper flakes, or if you love that fresh chili flavor, finely chop one and add it in. Pulse, being careful not to overdo it. We want to keep some of that texture. Now let's get our chicken going. I'm using bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs. Pat them dry, season with salt, and then place them skin side down into a cold pan. Then place over medium heat and let the skin slowly sizzle and render until it's golden. Flip the chicken if it seems stuck, wiggle it a bit so some of that fat sneaks under the skin. If you get one that's being stubborn, pull up the skin anyway and place it back on top of the chicken. Finish the chicken by roasting in a 375-degree oven, then serve with lots of chimichurri sauce on top. The rich and crispy golden skin with that sauce is insanely good. See you next time.